that is your big empty star. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Now today we are going to be reviewing this big ass advent calendar thing. So this is the Revolution You Are a Star advent calendar. Now I bought this for £60 from Superdrug. I don't know if it was part of the Black Friday deals or not, to be honest, but I think it's about £60. In this video I'm going to be just opening everything, seeing if it's worth the money, and then I'm going to be doing a part 2 where I test everything, or as much as I can, and try it all on for you. So this video is going to be long as it is, so let's just jump straight into it. So exciting. So this is what the big calendar looks like. I'm just gonna get straight on with it. So number 1, right at the top, it's a big guy. That sounds broken. So you get 4 things in this one. You get a little spool, well it's not little, a full size, a spoolie and an eyebrow brush and some tweezers. Oh, I've done the same thing I did in the last one. You get that, I'm wrecking joint already. You get that weird gel stuff that I didn't quite figure out from last time. It's a brow crayon, so it's like the wax stuff. Yeah, I've still not figured out what you do with that, but you get that. But moving on to day number 2, it's in this point here. It's a palette of some kind. Ah, it's a blush palette. This was the thing we were missing from the last boxes I had, is I didn't get any blushes. So yeah, so in this you get the blush palette. That's really nice. It's such a nice range as well. So you've got like the dark pink, the really bright pink, the corally colour, and then like a darker tone there. I've not actually tried any Revolution blushes, so I'm definitely excited to give this a go. Day number 3. I'm gonna guess another palette. So this is the palette Nova. Super pretty. It's like very pinky, purpley, those kind of tones. Yeah, that's super pretty. Can't wait to give that a go. Day number 4. This literally feels empty. Okay, that's, oh god. Oh, God, how many? So in day number 4, you get 3 scrunchies. So you get like a light pink, a dark pink, and a purple. They're super cute. Day number 5, we have a sponge. Oh, okay. See, I always do my base first, so I should probably stop doing that so I can actually test things like this. But yeah, you get a sponge. It's really squidgy. It looks really good, to be fair. I like the ones with the points. You get like right in the corners. What day am I on? Is that number 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 6. So day number 6 is in at this point here. What do we get? Oh, we get some more brushes. See, one thing I really like about this one is that you get the full size ones, not the little ones, because in the last video we were getting, well in the last 2 Revolution videos I did, they were both like mini brushes, but you do get full size ones in here. So you've just got kind of like your fluffy brush, more domed brush, and then 2 more like detailed brushes. Day number 7. So in day number 7 you get the Shimmer Glow Highlighter Liquid Serum. Just looks like that. It's so pretty. Like holding it up to my ring light and stuff, you can see all the like shimmering it properly. There's like greens and purples and so cool. Day number 8, this is looking like another palette. It is indeed. We have the Sweet Dreams eyeshadow palette. Oh, this is great. This is super colourful. But I love that. That orange is screaming my name. And I don't know why, because I don't even really wear orange. But I'm loving that. And the blue next to it. That is so pretty. Day number 9, we have, I have no idea. Okay. Huh? Okay, so it's a scrunchie with ears. I'm a bit confused. I mean, it's cute, but where did these go? Day number 10. Oh, this is pretty. So this is another eyeshadow palette, and this is in the, I always want to say the shade, but it's a palette. So this is the palette Interstellar. It's really pretty. There's some really nice tones in this. It's definitely like a lighter palette. It's got like your more pastel-y colours, but yeah, that is super, super pretty. And I love how, again, everything's got that same packaging, so it's all like black with the rose gold details and the stars, and I love it. Day number 11. I have absolutely no idea what this is. Oh, okay. I'm so confused. In day number 11, you get one of these little brushes. I don't really know what their main purpose is, but it's super soft, super fluffy. Day number 12. Oh, it's first highlighter. So this is the pressed highlighter, and I'm gonna guess that's the shade name, and that's Shiver. This is what it looks like. It's a super pretty, like, yellowy gold colour. It just looks like that. And day number 13 is this big one in the middle. What's in here? I feel like this should be day 25. It's a big one. So this is the pressed body highlighter. Just looks, oh, stay open then. Just looks like this. That looks very similar to the one I got in the PR box. I know they are different shades. So this is the one I got in the last one in the PR box. If you've not seen that, I will link it in the cards for you. That is the new one, the bigger one. So it's like slightly more peachy toned. They are very similar. So yeah, you get a nice big body highlighter. Day number 14. So in day number 14, you get a lip gloss. Looks like this, and this is the Shimmer Bomb lip gloss. Definitely very shimmery. Day number 15. This is the highlighter. It is indeed. So this is the pressed highlighter in Hibiscus. Just looks like this, super pretty. I've got a feeling this might be too dark for me actually. So that's Hibiscus next to Shiver. It's the one at the bottom. This is the new one. Day number 16 is this one here. This is the lip scrub. I don't actually have a single lip scrub. I have quite a lot of like lip balms, but no lip scrub. It's actually quite a nice smell. Definitely be giving that a go. Day number 17. It looks the exact same as the last one. Oh no, the last one's frosted, not the last one. So in day number 17, we get a lip mask and balm. It's got the same smell, which I actually really like. Day number 18, got the eye primer in the shade medium. Now I did actually get this in, I think it was the PR box as well, so now I have two of these, so I'll definitely be giving this away to somebody else. Day number 19, I haven't had any like coloured lipsticks yet, or like, we've got a lip gloss and we've got a lip balm. We need, oh, we've got another lip product now that I've said that. So this is the Pout Bomb Plumping Lip Gloss. It's like slightly tinted, it's like a bit pinky, or I don't know if that's with the packaging. No, it is like slightly pink. Day number 20, we have a lipstick. We do, yes. Okay, so we get a lipstick in the shade Vintage. So it's like a reddy brownie colour. Super nice. It's a lot, you get like a red one in the PR box, but this is a lot deeper, a lot browner. And yeah, that's super nice. I really like that shade. So this is day 21. We've got another lipstick in the shade Shining. That looks very similar to Vintage actually. Just looks like that. A bit lighter, I think. Oh, okay, side by side, they don't look that similar. So this one's Vintage and this one's Shining. So Shining's more of like a pinky tone, whereas Vintage is more red. Day number 22, looks like we're back to palettes. So here we have a contour palette. Just looks like this. So you've got two shimmer shades and two matte shades. Now this one here is going to be way too dark for me, but this one might be alright, and I probably won't use those either. Yeah, I'll definitely be able to use that one, I think. Day number 23, Christmas Eve. What do you get? Ooh. So in day number 23, you get a highlighter palette. Not had one of these yet. So you've got like your deep toned one, more pinky, deep toned one, and then you get this bright pink and this like yellowy gold colour. But they're all super, super pretty. Day number 24 feels empty, entirely empty, it really does. I can hear something moving around in there though. So Christmas Eve, what have we got? Ah, we have another brush. So this is a face brush. I'm gonna guess at like maybe a blush or contour brush, but that is super nice, really soft. And Christmas Day, what do you get? It's a bit heavier, definitely something in this one. Day number 25, you get another palette. Ooh, this is definitely a darker one. So this is the palette in Cosmic. Just looks like this. Really nice. You've definitely got a lot of deeper tones in this one. You even get a black. I don't think I've ever seen a black in a Revolution palette. You get a black shade, you get your red shades, your brown shades, you still got your golds and your pinky shimmers. You've got like a black shimmer in there as well. Yeah, that is super pretty. So that is palette Cosmic. And that is your box. It's really heavy to see it's empty. Okay, so as I usually do, I'm now just going to do a quick run through of everything you get inside this big advent calendar. Start with, you get your 3 colourful scrunchies and your black scrunchie with the ears, a beauty blender or makeup sponge, whatever you want to call them, the ultimate eye base in medium, the brow crayon wax stuff. You actually get quite a lot of brushes in this one, so you've got like the eyebrow ones and some tweezers, and then a set of eye brushes, a big, small, big brush, an angled brush, a lip scrub, a lip mask and balm, a Shimmer Glow Highlight Liquid Serum, a Shimmer Bomb Lip Gloss, a Pout Bomb Plumping Gloss, I find that really hard to say, 2 lipsticks, one in the shade Vintage and in the shade Shining, a pressed body highlighter, 2 pressed highlighters, one in the shade Shiver and the other in the shade Hibiscus, a contour palette, a blush palette and a highlight palette, and then 4 eyeshadow palettes. So you get Sweet Dreams, Nova, Interstellar and Cosmic. So that is everything you get in the Eurostar Advent Calendar. Now I think that is an amazing range of products and I definitely think it's worth £60. I think it's worth 120 but it's down to like 60 at the minute, so you're literally getting it half price. And then with Black Friday I don't know if it's actually a bit lower now as well. So I definitely think it's worth the money and like it's worth buying. But obviously I've not tested them out yet. So if you want to see me testing all of these products out, stay tuned. So my next video will be part 2 of this, where I'll be trying out as much of these products as possible. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And let me know if there's any other calendars that you want me to test out or any Christmas sets or anything like that. And I will try and get them for you guys and test them for you. I think that's everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you next time. Bye!